Welcome to MacTag TV. We're here to present you the 1414 by Giovanni Couture, which is this beautiful dress. This is actually the short version of the 1371. And as you can see, the short version is absolutely beautiful. The dress is entirely done with the very special pattern of sequins and pearls, and it looks very, very nice, actually beadings. The beading are silver and the sequins are going to be gunmetal and silver, so it gives a very nice effect. Of course, the whole dress is done onto a nude mesh, so it's going to appear very light. And also, if your skin is very, very light as well, you will look like you're not wearing anything. This actually looks amazing on our model today. I love the colors on you. So actually, just so you know, this dress is very comfortable. You will have cups onto the bust, so you're going to be extremely comfortable. You won't need undergarments. It's a very, very nice dress. Look at the pattern. The pattern is actually done in a way of actually taking you in. It's very flattering onto the woman's curves. It looks amazing. So let's look at the back of the 1414. The back of the 1414 is very, very pretty. It's going to have this very audacious back, very, very sexy, open. The straps will have crystal on each and every one of the inches of the straps. It looks really, really nice. And of course, the zipper is going to be right on the middle, and it's a visible zipper. It looks very nice on. I mean, seriously, this dress is one of my favorites. So if you have any questions about the 1414, you can always contact us or go on www.mactagmart.com. Thank you.